Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tracy Ancrea Alfonso from BSE Math 2-1. And the first topic that I'm going to present to you is the measures of central tendency for ungrouped data. So we are using these measures of central tendency for getting the average of a certain data. It has three major parts, which is first the mean. We are going to get the mean by computing and summing up all the values in the given data. Next one is the median, or the middle value of a set of data. Next one is mode, or the most frequent score in the given data. So we are going to proceed with the mathematical problem by applying the formulas given above. So here we have the problem. Find the mean of Michael's grade for first grading. So it was the given data, which is the reading is 94, language 95, mathematics 95, Filipino 94, civics 95, MAPE 93, science 94, and ESP 93. So we're going to proceed with the next problem, which is find the median of the following scores, which is 10, 14, 18, 21, 23, 25, and 27. And the last mathematical problem is the find the mode of the given data 11, 12, 15, 15, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 19, 26, 26, 26. So let us proceed on solving the following mathematical problems. So when we compute the first mathematical problem, which is we were going to get the mean, we are going to get the total of 753, and the total of all the subjects we have is 8. So just simply divide 753 by 8, and our mean is 94.125, or just simply 94.13. So in the next problem, we are going to get the median of the scores 10, 14, 18, 21, 23, and 25. So if the scores or data is odd number, just simply find the middle number in the given data, and that serves as your median. But if the score or data is even, use the given formula above, or the formula before. So the answer is 21. So here we are going to get the mode with the third mathematical problem. So just simply analyze the given data and find the most frequent number in the given set of data to be the mode. So here in the given set of data, the answer is 19. So next we're going to proceed with the second topic, which is the measures of central tendency for group data. So in the mean, we have the different formula for the mean, which is mean equals a summation of f of x over n. Next, the median is we are going to use the formula median is equals to LCB of the median class plus the class size times the value of n over 2 minus the less than cumulative frequency all over FMD. So in getting the mode, we have the mode is equals to lower class boundary of the model class plus the class size times the value of FMO minus FB over 2 times FMO minus FB minus FA. So we are going to proceed with the mathematical problem. Here we have the row scores in history test of the student of St. Magdalene School Incorporation. So we have here 36, 92, 68, 38, 68, 45, 79, 81, 87, 86, 84, 26, 84, 31, 97, 97, 93, 25, 32, 42, 42, 92, 86, 32, 25, 46, 86, 87, 36, 28, 28, 74, 79, 74, 42, and 68. So here we are going to show you the solution on computing this mathematical problem. So first, we are going to make another table containing class interval, frequency, midpoint, and the f of m. So in class interval, we are going to use 7 as the class interval of each data. So here we have 25 to 31, 31 to 38, 39 to 45, 46 to 52, 53 to 59, 60 to 66, 67 to 73, 74 to 80, 81 to 87, 88 to 94, 95 to 101. So we are going to get the frequency of this table sa pamamagitan ng pagtingin dun sa given natin dito. Yan, so sa 25 to 31, meron tayong 4 na pasok dun sa interval na yun. Sa 31 to 38, meron tayong 5, 39 to 45, meron tayong 4, 46 to 52, meron tayong isa, 53 to 51, meron tayong isa, 60 to 66, meron tayong isa, 67 to 73, may 3, 74 to 80, may 4, 81 to 87, may 7, 88 to 94, may 3, at 95 to 100, may 3. 36 yung given data natin dito sa taas. So, the midpoint, we're going to get the midpoint of the class interval. So, in getting the f of m, you are going to multiply frequency times the midpoint. So, 4 times 28 is equals to 112. 5 times 35 is equals to 175, and up to the last one. So, get the total of the f of m equals to 2,296. So, let us proceed. So, first, let us get the mid. So, in getting the mid, we are going to use the formula summation of f of m over n. So, here we get the total of 2,296. So, lalagay lang po natin siya doon. Then, all over 36, which is the total of the frequency. So, in order to get the mean, just simply divide 2,296 divided by 36, and you get the mean, 63.78. So, let us proceed to table 2, which is the contained is class interval frequency and the greater than cumulative frequency. So, in getting the greater than cumulative frequency, we're going to put n as in the upper part, which is 36. Then just simply minus the frequency, like this. 36 minus 4 equals 32. 32 minus 5 is equals to 27. Hanggang sa baba po yun. Ganun lang yung gagawin. So, and in getting the median, we have this formula. LCB times the value of n over 2 minus f over f of m times I. So, 66.5 times the value of 36 over 2 minus 16 over 1 times 7. 66 plus 5 plus 18 minus 6 times 7. So, 66.5 plus 2 times 7, meron po tayong median na 80.5. So, nakuha na po natin yung mean and median. Let us proceed on getting the mode. So, here we are going to get the mode in table number 3. Ang laman po ng table natin is the class interval, frequency, and the midpoint. So, 84 is the midpoint since the midpoint belonging to the highest frequency. So, diyan ang titingnan po natin is tong column ng frequency. Hanapin po natin dyan yung may pinakamataas na frequency, and yun po yung magsisilbi nating mode, which is 7. So, our modal class or our mode is 84. So, on getting the mid, first you need to make a table containing the class intervals, frequency, midpoint, and the m or frequency times the midpoint. Get the total of the frequency column and the f of m column, then proceed to the given formula of the mean. So, while getting the median, you need to make another table containing the class intervals, frequency, and the greater than cumulative frequency. So, here are the following steps on computing the median. Next one is on getting the mode, you need to make a last table containing the class interval, frequency, and the midpoint. So, here are some steps on getting the mode. So, let us proceed to our third topic, which is the tabular presentation of data. So, frequency distribution is the arrangement of gathered data with their frequency, class mark, and midpoint. So while in class frequency refers to the number of observations, class interval refers to the grouping by the limits, which is upper limits and lower limits. While in class boundaries are the numbers between the upper and lower limits. So we are now going to proceed with the mathematical problem. Make a frequency table given the geometry test scores for the students at St. Francis School and Corporation. So here are the row scores in geometry tests of the students at St. Francis School and Corporation. So we have 36, 92, 68, 38, 68, 45, 79, 81, 87, 96, 84, 26, 84, 31, 97, 97, 93, 25, 32, 42, 42, 92, 86, 32, 25, 46, 86, 87, 36, 28, 28, 74, 79, 74, 42, and 68. So here we have the first table na may laman siyang class interval, frequency, class marks, greater than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, and the relative frequency. So, ganun ulit yung class interval natin or yung class size natin, which is 7. So, meron tayong 25 to 31, 31 to 38, 39 to 45, 46 to 52, 53 to 59, 60 to 66, 67 to 73, 74 to 80, 81 to 87, 88 to 94, and 95 to 101. So, sa paghanap natin ng frequency, dito sa column ng frequency natin, kailangan lang natin tumingin dun sa row scores natin dito sa taas para malaman natin kung ilan yung number na pasok dun sa class interval natin. At bawa sa 25 to 31, meron tayong 4. Sa 31 to 38, meron tayong 5 hanggang sa dulo. Then, ang total frequency natin is 36 or yun yung total given data natin dito sa taas. So, sa paghanap naman ng class mark, kunin lang natin yung midpoint ng ating class interval. Then, in greater than cumulative frequency, ang gagawin natin is copy lang natin itong una-una sa frequency. Copy mo dyan. Then, gagawin natin, pababa naman siya is addition. So, here, 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, 9 plus 4 is equals to 13, 13 plus 1 is equals to 14 hanggang sa dulo, which is 36. Then sa less than cumulative frequency naman, ang gagawin natin is yung total frequency natin yung ilalagay natin sa taas is, which is 36. Then pababa naman siya, ang gagawin natin is subtraction. So 36 minus 4 is 32, 32 minus 5 is 27 rather, hanggang sa dulo. So, ayun, sa pagkuha ng ating relative frequency, ang gagawin lang natin is yung frequency divided by the total frequency times 100. So, for example, 4 divided by 36 times 100 is makakakuha tayo ng 11%. 5 divided by 36 times 100 is makakakuha tayo ng 14%. Then, hanggang dulo po, dapat makukuha natin a total ng relative frequency is 100%. Next, ito na po yung ating interpretation or explanation dun sa ating mathematical problem. So, step 1, hanapin natin yung range niya. So, ang gagawin natin is highest score minus the lowest score. So, ang highest score natin dun sa given data is 97, then the lowest score is 25. So, we are going to subtract 97 minus 25 is equals to 72. So, ang range po natin is 72. Step 2, determine the class interval by dividing the range by 10. So, range divided by 10, which is 72 divided by 10 is equal to 7.2. So, round off to the whole number, meron tayong 7. So, yan yung ginamit natin para ma-determine yung class interval natin. So, step 3, from the lowest and the interval size, create the class interval. So, ayun na nga yung ginawa natin. So, step 4, determine the frequency of the class interval f by counting all the numbers that belongs to the following class intervals. Step 5, get the midpoint of the class interval and put as the class marks or the M or the midpoint. So, step 6, organize the cumulative, less than, and greater than cumulative frequency. In getting the greater than cumulative frequency, you need to focus on the frequency column, then it start on 4 and add the number that follows. While in less than commutative frequency, you need to start on 36 and then subtract the number in the frequency column. Step 7, get the relative frequency, which is F over N times 100 para makuha natin yung relative frequency. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for watching.